good day. Now, I hope that all of you are staying and keeping safe at home during this movement control order or Perintah Kawalan Pergerakan. And my dear students, however, lessons or learning doesn't stop here. There are many digital platforms that you can use to continue learning. And I believe that many teachers are also providing materials and videos for you to read and to learn over this period of time. And if you don't have access to digital learning, please don't worry. There are books to read, and my recommendation is for you to read as many materials, as many essays as possible so that you continue learning English over this period of time. Okay, so welcome to lesson today, and I am Madam Aisha, teacher. I would like to do some writing today, okay? Descriptive writing using sensory images, using sensory words. And as we are all stuck at home, I would like to take all of you outside. But before that, what are you going to learn or do in this about 15 to 20 minute lesson? Okay, number one, I hope that by the end of this lesson, you will be able to actually choose 60 phrases and write them in 5 different columns. And number two, you will be able to fill in 9 blanks using sensory words to complete 3 paragraph essay or write-up. Okay, so let's go to the beach. Imagine you are now at the beach, and I'm sure you have been to the beach for your holiday, to the seaside. What can you see at the beach? Write down 1 or 2 answers, or you can even shout out to your screen. Yes, you can see children building sandcastles. Very true. Another one, possible answer. Yes, you probably see people swimming and going for a lot of water activities. Very good, very good. Now, at the beach, what can you hear when you are on the beach, when you are at the seaside? What kind of sounds? The sound of trees, yes. And the sound of breeze, very good. Write it down. Now, all these things that you can see, you can hear, you can touch and feel, these are your senses. What are our 5 senses? Can you name them? Yes, sight, smell, sound, touch, and taste. Very good. Alright, so these are our senses, and today we're going to look at how can we use our senses and putting them into words, and using these sensory words it is going to make our writing even better. This is our first activity. Let's take a look at this table. Can you see the table? There are 5 columns representing each different sense. Okay, sight, smell, touch, sound, taste. And there are 16 different phrases. Your task is to read all these 16 phrases and please categorize them in the correct column. Which sense do they belong to? I'll give you about 4 or 5 minutes to do this work. Have you finished writing the 16 phrases into the correct columns? Shall we discuss the answers? Okay, the first column, which is sites. What are the answers that you have written? Correct. The first one could be packed with picnickers. You can see a lot of picnickers at the beach. You can also see resorts mushrooming along the beach. You can of course see blazing sun, swaying palm trees, big white clouds, and crystal clear water. And sometimes these answers could belong to other groups as well. Yeah? In the second column, which is under sound, you can hear the sound of waves splashing, wind whispers, hums, moans, or shrieks, hissing sound of the waves, soothing sound of the waves, and even birds singing sweetly. Don't we miss all this being at home? What about the third column, which is under smell? Yes, you can definitely smell the scent of fishy smell. What about touch? What does it mean, touch? It means that you can feel. What can you feel? Blistering sun. You can also feel tickling sensation as the waves crash over your feet. And you can definitely feel the wind caresses your cheeks and also ruffling your hair. And the last column, under taste, what did you write? Very good. The salty sea. Especially when you go swimming in the ocean, you can feel salty water in your mouth, don't you? Very good. Okay, congratulations for completing the first task. Let's move on to the second task. Now I'm giving you 3 paragraphs essay, alright, and this is a descriptive writing. You are now going to use all the sensory words and phrases that you have used in the first task in this second task. There are 9 blanks altogether. Please fill in the answers using sensory words, phrases as the answers. Okay, so how was the task? Have you completed that? Alright, this is a descriptive writing. It is very useful to use sensory words, phrases, images in this writing because it really helps to enhance your essays or writing, and that is why we are doing this lesson today. Okay, let's go through the answers together. I wish we are in class so that we can actually read some lines and sentences, but because this is only a short video, let's take a look at your first answer. What could it be? Number 1. Yes, waves splashing. Very good. Number 2. Cool breeze. Number 3. Tickling sensation as the waves crash over my feet. Now let's go to the second paragraph. Let's check your answers. Share me your answers. Number 4. Yes, big white clouds. What about number 5? Blazing sun. Number 6. Crystal clear water. Number 7. Blistering sun. Number 8. Wind caressed my cheeks and ruffled my hair. And number 9. Fishy smell. Good, well done. You have completed the 3 paragraphs. You have filled in the blanks using sensory words, phrases, sensory language, and this is the idea of this particular task. Now it's the second task, so that you know how these sensory words and phrases are able to enhance your writing. Using sensory details or sensory language really helps to captivate your audience. It makes your audience or the readers feel what you are feeling. For example, the writing or the write-up at the beginning just now. By using sensory images, your readers are also able to experience what you have experienced. And that is the beauty of using sensory words and phrases. And it also brings a lot of beauty into the writing, and you need to explore more. And I believe by using the 16 phrases that I have exposed you to in different sentences, other than just in writing about the beach, you can also practice writing using sensory language. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson as much as I do, and I also hope you have benefited from the whole lesson. Remember, it takes a lot of practices, so please read more, please try using the phrases, and read again the 3 paragraphs or write-up that you have just attempted earlier. That's all from me. Thank you. Till I see you again. Bye.